Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers, and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Sophia.
And my name is Gavin. It is a marvelous day to be a Panther.
Panthers, a great opportunity coming up soon in an Aerospace Tech Fair at Kennedy Space Center on the student holiday, Friday, March 15 from 9:30 to 4:30 p.m. Open to anyone in 9th through 12th grade.
Transportation is available through BPS from certain regional sites. See flyer for sign-up link.
Students and staff, Heritage High School will be sponsoring another blood drive on February 21st. You must be 17 years old or older and must have registered to donate.
All donors will receive one of the following offers per donation: refreshments, long-sleeve t-shirt, and a wellness checkup, which includes checking your blood pressure, pulse, temperature, iron count, and cholesterol screening.
You can register to donate blood in room 6114 before school or during lunch if you have a pass from your 4th period teacher. Bring your ID to sign up and receive permission forms.
In sporting news, our boys tennis team will play at home against Mel High, and our girls tennis team will travel to play Melbourne High. Both Panthers will play at 4 p.m.
Our Heritage softball team will play at Bayside today and game starts at 6 p.m.
Good luck, Panthers.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!